Okay, today we're going to add decimals. And you already know how to add, okay? So we're just going to take what we already know with that addition, and we're just going to apply it here to a little bit different situation, okay? The thing that's the most important when you're adding decimals or any numbers is that place values need to be lined up. So it's the setup. You get the setup right, you already know how to add, you'll get these right. So I'm going to rewrite this up and down because that's how we normally do math. Remember, we've been talking about if it's not in a form that we're comfortable with, let's switch it. As long as it makes mathematical sense, we can do it. So can I write it up and down? Yes, I can. So I'm going to be very neat with my writing. You have grid paper on these first sets to help you get them lined up. Okay? And then, okay, this 3 is in the ones place, the 2 is in the tens place, hundreds place. So I'm keeping everything lined up. And then it's the 8. Okay? Also a good habit to get into when we're doing this, we can put in the placeholder zeros. I can add the 0 here in the hundreds place. Does that change the value of my answer? No, I can also put 0 here in the hundreds place. Okay? Did any place values switch? No, all the place values are still the same. And then the process is addition that you've been doing 3-4 years now. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 8 is 14. Put my decimal point, carry up the 1. It's be 13. 6. 1. So 163 and 43 hundredths. I'm going to check my answer real quick. I'm going to round these to the nearest whole number, so that would be 40. This would be 124, 164. My answer checks. So you can always do some estimating to see if your answer checks out. Okay? Same thing. Let's do this as the second problem. Same thing. The setup is the key with these. So I'm going to rewrite it up and down. And I'm going to make sure that my place values are lined up. Okay? I'm going to add placeholder zeros where they're needed. And that also just helps me keep everything lined up. Okay? And then I add the same way you've been adding for many years now. That's a 5, it's a 2, 18, 19, 3, 6, 7. Okay? And then I can estimate real quick. You don't have to do this, but some people I know, you'd like to make sure. So that'd be 64, 74, so 448, 138. Nice. It checks out. Okay? So for the homework, you're going to do 3 through 12, the same process. You have the grid paper to keep everything lined up. That's the key. The setup is the key. Place values and decimal points need to be lined up.